Hey, welcome to My Expert Computer Guy's Beginner's Basics. Let WordPress create your custom HTML code. The backdrop for this video is the Delta theme by WP Explorer. The tips I present should work in all themes. I was unable to check all WordPress themes, however. There are thousands of them. If you find a situation where you are stuck, contact me at my website and I'll endeavor to assist you personally. That's myexpertcomputerguy.com. The problem. Your theme came with a nice looking footer area. You'd like to style the footer to look like the one in the theme's demo, but you're new to WordPress and you're not sure how to sort it out. You'll find the settings for the footer area in the admin panel. Click on Appearance, Widgets, bring up the Widgets admin panel. The most efficient way to add content to the footer widget is to use HTML code. You can use HTML code to add an image, insert some text, and add a link to another page. What if you'd rather scratch your head than scratch out HTML code? Who has the time for that? After all, you may have a business to run. You don't have time to learn HTML code. Well, there's good news. This episode will show you how WordPress will write your HTML code for you. This is what our sample page looks like. As you can see, the footer area at the bottom of the page is blank. Here are the steps I'll take to let WordPress write the necessary HTML code. Let's begin by creating a new page. I've called my new page the Scratchpad. You can call your new page anything you like. It's only a draft page that won't be published. Although it's not necessary, you can create 3 draft pages called Scratchpad 1, Scratchpad 2, and Scratchpad 3. If you are new to HTML code, this will help you keep from getting confused. If you were to add the formatting into a single editor pane, you would generate extra code that's not needed. You might end up selecting unnecessary code. Once you get some practice using HTML code, you'll learn the differences in the code and you'll be able to select the code you need from one draft file. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll click on the Text tab, which will take me to the HTML pane of the editor. As you can see, there is a lot of code here, and what to select is not really clear. I'll go ahead and highlight everything and press the Delete key to start fresh. Getting started is easy. Click on the editor pane and select Add Media. I'll select the image I'll need for the first footer widget area. Once I've selected the image, I also want to add a link to URL. This way, if someone clicks on the picture, it'll take them to the page that I've set up. Here I want to link to the portfolio page, and I've already set up the portfolio page so I can grab the link. Once the link is highlighted, copy and paste the link into the Insert Media page. Then click on the Insert Into Page button. Press the Enter key to start a new line, and I'll add a bit of text. I also want to add a link to the words Portfolio page, so I'll highlight the words Portfolio page and click on the Insert Edit Link button, and I'll press Ctrl V to paste in the link that I just grabbed from the portfolio page. Click the Add Link button, and this page is nearly done. Select anywhere along the line of text and click on the Align Center button. This will align our text to the center. Now if we take a look at the HTML code, you see it's not confusing at all. We'll just need to select everything and paste that where it belongs. We'll do that in just a moment. First, let's set up the other two pages. Click on the editor pane, click on Add Media, select the image file you need. Remember, we're going to add a link to the page, so I'll select the Workbench blog page, copy the link, return to my Scratchpad, paste the link, click on the Insert into Page button. I'm going to go back to the Visual Editor, start a new line, add a bit of text. Here too, we're going to add a link to the words blog page. Click on the Insert Edit Link button, paste in our link, click the Add Link button. Don't forget to center the page. Save the draft. Now we're ready to move on to Scratchpad 3. Click on the Editor pane, click on Add Media, select the image you'll want to use, grab the link information. Here we're going to use the Services page, highlight the URL, copy the URL, go back to the Scratchpad, Insert Media page, paste the link, click on the Insert into Page button, go back to the Visual Editor, start a new line, insert a bit of text, highlight the words you'll want to add a link to, press the Insert Edit Link button, paste in our link again, add link, don't forget to center the page, save the draft, and we're almost done. All we need to do now is go to the widget area and paste in our code. From the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab and select Widgets. On the Widgets page, look through the available widgets and find the text widget. Drag the text widget into each one of the footers. Now we're ready to add our code. Go to the first Scratchpad page, grab your code, copy, back to the widgets page, and paste. Be sure to click the Save button. If not, our changes will not be saved. Now we're ready for Scratchpad page 2. Select all, copy, return to the widgets page, paste in our code, click the Save button, get ready for footer number 3, select all, copy, return to the widgets page, paste in our code, and click the Save button. Now I don't remember if I clicked the Save button after I did this one, so I'm going to click it again. It doesn't matter how many times you click the Save button, as long as it's clicked at least once. Now we can take a look at our changes and see how everything turned out. There, isn't that beautiful? Just what we were looking for. WordPress can create HTML code anywhere you might need it. You don't just have to save it for the footer or widget areas. You can also use it whenever you need to design part of a page and you don't want the distractions of all the other elements on the page. This will give you a clean slate to work on in a draft page, which you can either save to come back to later or delete when you're finished working out your details. Then you just copy and paste the code where it's needed. Pretty cool, huh? So until next time, this is Alan saying goodbye for now.